It is Chika Bel Mariano ibinukeng kung sino si Donnie Pangilinan pag nag-aaway sila. Saad niya, napakabait yung lalaking yan eh. Siya yung lalaking who calls you after an argument just to make sure you're okay, not someone who leaves you alone with your thoughts while you cry. And he's a man who stays when things get hard, someone who wants to understand you, not defeat you. And siya yung klaseng lalaki who can pause in the middle of fight, hug you and say sorry because your tears matter more to him than his pride.